IBA and IBIE have long been considered the top baking events in the world, and we are now going to work together as the industry leaders with focus on uniting and advancing the global grain-based food industry. Gather around, please join us as we continue our traditional ceremonial bread cutting.
We are here waiting for the doors to open at IBIE, excited to get out on the floor. Have a great day.
Well, this is the best IBIE I've attended, and I've attended a lot of them over the last 30 years, but I have seen so many new robotics, and I've also seen some equipment that normally took up a lot of footprint in the plants, smaller, which I'm very excited about.
We're extremely excited to be here. We have over 40 people that are going to be visiting the floor, meeting with our suppliers to help us educate us on what's new. How can we take the new technology to improve flours in different parts of the operation.
What's the best thing I've seen so far? So many things. There's some really cool equipment that I've seen that I'm interested in purchasing. There was an education session that I thought was just right for me. It answered all the questions that I had. And then there was some networking, just meeting people and getting some ideas for business.